Nifty and the Sensex today gained 0.75% and thus managed to end at a two-year closing high. The bank stocks outperformed and all the scrips ended in the green. The mid-caps too rose 100 points. Reliance, in fact, was the best performing stock of the day and it closed about 1,300 rupees per share for the first time, in fact, since May 2008. Sonia Shenoy is standing by to decode the day's trade further for us. Hi, Sonia. The bulls are clearly on an overdrive.
Well, thanks for that. The bulls were in total control of this market and the uptrend continued today. The Sensex and the Nifty were at a two-year closing high by the end of the day, and the Sensex has conquered that psychological 29,000 mark. Now, the good part is today it was all about heavyweights. Reliance led the way. In fact, it anchored the market. It hit a 9-year high and is now above the 1,300 mark. But banks were not too far behind. Private sector banks like IndusInd, Yes Bank, public sector banks like SBI also participated in trade today. It was only technology stocks that underperformed, so TCS was down about 0.5%. But leaving that aside, you had a lot of other heavyweight pockets that did pretty well. Now, the good part is that India has been outperforming its global peers, and that's pretty much what happened today. Most believe that the market is now pricing in a big BJP win in the UP elections, and that's the reason why we're seeing so much domestic money come into the market. In the mid-cap space, you had stocks like Bharat Forge that rallied on the back of strong North America truck sales. Stocks like dredging rallied on the possibility of the government's paring its stake, and stocks like Motilal Oswal have been hitting new highs. Motilal Oswal, in fact, now has a market cap of more than 10,000 crores. So very good going both for the large caps as well as some of the non-index heavyweights today.